click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for joining me. Today I am doing a fresh minimal makeup look, and also I am going to show you a really easy flower braid front hairstyle. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. First I'm gonna start by using my Pond's BB cream. I already wet my beauty blender. Here I am taking my Real Technique Miracle sponge and just dab it all across my face. I always prefer BB or CC cream more because they are super duper lightweight and pretty much like your skin but better. Now I am gonna go with my Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. You can totally skip this step. So once I am happy with how my base looks, I am just going to use a face powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte face powder. For glowing and fresh look, now I am using my Makeup Revelation highlighter palette and applying my highlighter with my beauty blender. This will give a really natural and radiant glow. Now I'm just applying my mascara. This is my favorite part. After applying my mascara, I am here just curling my lashes with a lash curler. So after this, I am going to fill in my lips with this lip liner by Coluorpop, and the shade is Love Bug. Here I am just gonna use a lip cream by Ofra Miami Fever and mix this with my lip liner. And last but not the least, here I am just using my setting spray, and this is Milani Make It Last setting spray. So for the hairstyle, first off I'm gonna divide my hair into two sections, then I'm just doing a Dutch braid. Here the braid is done. Now I am gonna wrap it around clockwise to create a little flower. Now I am just take some bobby pins and secure the flower. So yes, this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.